for today. Yeah, another Gunpla. And this is one of the greatest greatest and very something weird kind of Gundam. Or not Gundam, but Gunpla because this is a grand one. A grand suit. Okay? And I've ordered this outside of the country, so from overseas. So there are some Japanese kind of writings on the backs. Yeah, Sasagawa, and then that's the only. No, not Sasagawa, but Sagawa. I don't know what it is, but yeah, let's go. Let's open it with my rusty but so trusted Habinite. Let's go. Let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here, yeah, a very weird. The kit is, I think it's coming to me right now. I think it's not so weird, but the name is very weird. Yeah, very weird. The name is very weird. Why? So I need to introduce it to you first so that you can see why it's very weird. But because this is your HG Mobile Suit Gundam G-Quax Sugai's Gel Goog GQ. Okay, it's a Gel Goog in the name, but you can see the form. I know. You can see it that it's not a Gel Goog. It's a GM, man. This is a GM, but they named it as Gel Goog. I don't know what happened to the naming under the Gundam G-Quax. Why they named GM as a Gel Goog? Maybe it's Gel Goog. No. Gel Goog machine, that's why it's called GM. But yeah, it's named as Gel Goog. I don't know. I will try to search on the internet to have the explanation for this one. But still, for now, I don't have an answer why it's called Gel Goog. So do not ask me why it's called Gel Goog. Just, if you have time, please research why it's called Gel Goog. Okay? Write down on the comments. Okay? So yeah, so much for that. Let's go to the design of the... I'm so invested in the name because it's very weird, man. It's a GM. Literally, it's really a GM, but the name is very different. Okay, now let's go to the kit or to the unit itself. Okay, so the Gel Goog right here. Yeah, I'm so distracted to the overall illustration of the unit because for me it's really a GM, man. It's not a Gel Goog. So for the Gel Goog right here, you can see there that it's not Gel Goog again because yeah, it's GM, man. But yeah.